Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list on StockX. So the reason why you need list is if you're scrolling through StockX and you find anything that you like, let's say you want to add some shirts or shoes or whatever. Let's say I want to add these three items. If I try to click on them, it's going to ask me to select my size. I can choose my size, but then I don't have a list. And if I click the drop down, I haven't got a list. So you want to go ahead and create a list first. So I'm going to show you how to actually create a list so that you can quickly save your items, right? So what you want to do, just simple, over your account on the upper right. And here you will find favorites. Click on favorites. And then you will be taken over to this section here where you can create a list. So on the upper right hand side, it is showing create list. Simple create it and give your list a name. So they said like birthday or wish list or whatever. I can say wish list, for example. That's a good way to put it. Click on create. And now you have a list that is created by the name of wishlist. Now you can choose to add items directly from here by clicking on that and search for items here and add it in, or you can just simply go back to wherever you were, find items. So let's say I want to add this Gucci shirt here. I can click on that and I can go ahead and select the size that I want. So if I want large, then I can click the drop down and I should see my wish list. So if I click this checkbox here, go down and click on confirm, you can now see that I've added it, and it's now showing that it's marked as the heart because it's added into the wish list. And that's how you create a list, guys, and that's how you actually add items within your wish list. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.